Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkov's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the not enough memory to complete this operation error in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin troubleshooting this memory error, we will start by performing a clean boot of your Windows 11 system. This process helps us identify if a third-party application or service is causing the conflict. First, open the Windows search bar by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing System Configuration. Select the System Configuration application from the search results. In the System Configuration window, navigate to the Services tab. Here you will find an option to hide all Microsoft services. Please check this box. After hiding the Microsoft services, if any other services are currently checked, you will need to click on Disable All. Once you have disabled all non-essential services, click Apply, and then OK. The system will prompt you to restart your computer. Please restart your computer for these changes to take effect. When your computer restarts in this clean boot state, only necessary Windows programs will launch at startup. If you encounter the not enough memory to complete this operation error, even in this clean boot environment, it strongly indicates that your system is genuinely low on random access memory, or RAM. In such a scenario, the most effective solution will be to upgrade your physical RAM. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.